And we are live! Hello mga kakwento! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and wherever you are tuning in, and to those who will watching or who will watch the replay, thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago. Ako po si Lori, a former OFW, the face behind Life with Lure business page, a mother of two, and now a proud digital business owner. And tonight, I just want to share something real and personal. Kung bakit ko sinimulan itong digital business na ito. Actually, it wasn't part of the plan. Pero alam mo yon, yung moment na you're in a place of uncertainty. But deep inside, you know, you're meant for more. I was in Wales when it all started. Nagbabaka sakali ako. I was hoping to find a job. Kahit anong source of income sana. Pero deep inside me, I was praying, Lord, is there something else for me? And then lumabas sa feed ko yung ads ng mentor ko. I was curious. I was skeptical because she was a stranger to me. To be honest, I almost scrolled away. But something inside me said, tignan mo muna. I didn't say yes agad. I prayed, Lord, is this the answer to my prayers? The one that I've been waiting for. I asked for signs. I asked for clarity. And I decided to trust my instinct and take that leap of faith. I paid the 149 USD, watched the pre-coaching videos, and that's when everything shifted. Sa videos pa lang, super na-inspire na ako. The stories of the community, from people in debt to people living in freedom. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, pwede rin pala akong maging ganyan. But syempre, I did my research. Lahat ng articles, binasa ko. Chinika ko yung Facebook ng mentor ko, pati ng coach ko. Aminin na natin lahat ito. Lahat yan ginagawa. Lahat tayo ginagawa yan, di ba? And then I observe the people in the community. I check kung totoo ba sila. Then I prayed again, Lord, kung hindi ito para sa akin, please make a way to stop this. Make a way to stop me from this. But you know what? Everything flowed smoothly. No delays, no blocks, no stress. And I knew deep down, this was the answer to my prayer and my mama's prayer. As we went to Penali Church every Sunday morning and St. Mary's Church every Wednesday morning for months. Ilang months kaming talagang nagpe-pray. Every day since then has been a journey of learning. And not just learning about the business, but learning about myself. Sa dami ng taon ko bilang empleyado, I never learned the things I'm learning now. Yung mindset talaga. Discipline, confidence, and purpose. Before, I didn't want to show my face on social media. Nahihiya ako talaga. Shy type ako eh. But I know if I wanted something different, I had to do something different. Ulitin ko yon. If I wanted something different, I had to do something different. Now I'm happy because this is so different from the usual work I used to do. No boss, no quota, no pressure, no irate customers, no toxic shift or endless emails. Wala akong dapat maka 60 emails ako every day. Dapat maka 60 emails ako today. Instead, I own my time. I built my own strategy. I decide how much effort I give. And I know that my success is mine, not for someone else's company. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but I believe in God's perfect timing. I believe na the more I grow, the more I'm preparing for the financial success I've been praying for. Right now, I'm still building myself, but I know my time will come. And maybe if you're watching this right now, praying for a sign, wondering if there's more to life than just working to survive, maybe this message is meant for you. You can still do this as a side hustle and eventually be your full-time business. Think about it. If what you're doing right now won't lead to the life you dream of, if sweldo mo laging break even, or kinakapos ka palagi, or malaki nga sweldo mo pero stress ka naman, or wala ng oras to enjoy life with your kids, maybe it's time to open your heart to something new. Because if I never gave this a chance, I'll still be stuck and I'll be doubting. But now I'm growing, I'm learning, and I'm dreaming again. And I can see that this business is the answer to all my dreams in this life, to fulfill all my dreams in this life for my family and the help that I can do for my community. If I can do this, so you can. Thank you for spending your time with me again tonight, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of learning, and open our lives to true freedom. See you again on my next live for another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago. Bring your coffee, bring your dreams, and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smart, live free, and grow into the person God created us to be. If you're curious or you want to learn more, just message me or you may sign up on my website at www.laurieramos.com. Good night and God bless us all. Bye-bye.